Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got a cool unboxing, something coming in from a company that actually sent me the very first free knife the channel ever got. We're gonna see what we got here today. Hopefully it's something as exciting as that. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my Vosteed Raccoon. This is with the top liner lock. All right, so this company sent me a couple of things. I was super excited to potentially get to check this out. So let's see what we got here. CJRB, okay. And then we have another one. And I think we'll make this box part 2. So let's do the first one here. We'll move this off to the side and let's see what we have here. The first one we have is, well, as in typical with CJRB, you've got the numbering convention, but we have over here, let's take a look at it. It's got a cool name. I want to see what it is before we say what the name is, okay? Let's see what we got. This one is a Nanner. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is awesome. I am loving this. Holy cow. I'm so excited. I gotta get into this box. I'm so excited. Oh, this is so cool. This is so freaking cool, guys. It is so ridiculous, but I love it. I absolutely freaking love it. This is the Nanner, and it looks like a Nanner. It's ridiculous. Is it my stuff? No, but it looks like a banana. So I love it. I love bananas. Sorry, I love bananas. So I love this thing. And wait, hold on. Let's do this. It's a crossbar front flipper, which I don't think I've seen a crossbar front flipper before. If I have, I can't remember. I don't know if I've ever had a crossbar front flipper, but it is crossbar. It's CJRB. It actually works. Okay, so my large hands, extra room, definitely an interesting grip. It definitely feels gets you presented right here. You actually have room. It's unique. It's a slicer, right? It's like, you're going to be slicing stuff. It's a full flat grind, which, wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, we got bonus flip. We got bonus flick. We got multiple. We got thumb studs, Nanner green thumb studs. I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. It's a reversible pocket clip, green screws, yellow. Oh, I love this. I love this. Pivot screw. It's not captive, but that's okay. This is probably like going to be a budget, I'm guessing. Let's see. What's the steel on this guy? Does it tell us? Is it it is AR-RPM9, which is like a spray-on powdered steel, sort of like it's a spray-on steel. So it's a pretty good steel. It's a great budget steel for the price of what you get. Full flat grind, beautiful satin finish. You've got jimping and very functional jimping. Beautiful tip to get into your boxes. I mean, this will get your boxes open. This just feels like it's very Persian looking or very banana looking. I friggin' love this thing. I love the clip. It's perfect. No heart spots. Beautiful chamfering all the way around. I love is it a steel backspacer? Is it titanium? What is it? Nope. Steel clip, which fully expect that. Steel crossbar lock. And wait, hold on. What do we got in here? We got steel. Okay, we got full steel liners on the inside. Crossbar with Omega spring, right? And I'm guessing this is it's probably aluminum backspacer. That's what it's got to be. Steel clip, nice and rounded. Beautiful finish, matches the finish there. I think that's really nice. Wow, I am really... I love this thing. I'm sorry I'm shaking the camera. I love this thing. This is so freaking cool. Okay. I saw a big channel open something up from the, oh, look, it's, hold on. We got to zoom in. What do we got there? That looks like the Maker's Mark. Is that a duck? It is a duck. I love that. Do you see that? That's cool. Let's see over here. CJRB, minimal billboarding. I mean, this is really for them. This is really minimal billboarding. I love that too. That's another nice thing. All right, so let's look at this beautiful blade. It is beautiful. It is weird. It's goofy. It's not my normal cup of tea. But you know what? This right here, I love that. I know I'm gonna have to give this away, but I don't want to. I honestly do not want to give this one away. I really don't. I really don't. And there we got the back with a beautiful clip. It is a reversible clip, right-hand tip up right now. Got the steel liners with a lot of weight relief. It looks like aluminum backspacer, functional. So if I get in, oh, look at that. Oh, hold on, we got to do that. For a push cut, there you go, into leather, plastic, cardboard. Let's see here. Yeah, I can do a pull cut. Definitely. Okay. Sorry, I had to do that for a second. Yeah, that's really nice. Really, really nice. A little spot for lanyards. The lanyard people rejoice. Deep pocket carry clip. Well, let's close this guy. So definitely going to be right there, fully hidden. No one, excuse me, sir. Are you excited to see me, or is that some, oh no, it's just a banana in my pocket. Sorry, forgive me. I had to say that. There you go. There's your excited banana right here. Yeah, that is so unusual. I am at a loss for words, and I'm smiling. I love this thing. This makes me so happy. I don't know why this makes me happy, but this makes me really, really happy. This is a happy knife. Oh, if I go into Bob Ross rant mode right now, I'm going to be talking about the happy tree and the happy banana, the happy knife. This is an absolute joy to look at right now. Let's get a little picture for the thumbnail for the video, because this is so unbelievably cool. All right, I love the jimping up here. That's really nice. It's comfort, chamfered all the way around. I mean, this is really done. I feel like it's going to be a budget knife at a good price, but there's a lot of details on here that make me think it's not going to be like, I don't think this is a $40 one. I think we're looking at, I'm going to guess, anywhere from $60 to $80. I'm going to guess. I could be wrong, and I hope I'm wrong. I hope it's even cheaper than that, but this feels really well done for what you're getting here. I mean, the budget seal here is what's going to save you a lot of money, obviously, but there's a lot of nice touches with the liner in there. The clip is really robust and nice. Got some nice spring to it going in and out of the pocket. Really rounded comfortably. Oh my gosh. This is great. This is absolutely great. Again, action, out of the pocket, no blade play. Let's do it's axis lock. So this is going to move as soon as I pull it out. So there's really, you can't say detent lash. We've got dead nut centered, which is awesome. Flipping works really well. Let's see. Yeah, it does actually. If I get in here and follow the line, it flips really well. Flips really well. And then the flipper here, as long as I'm not trying, I mean, okay, I can't slow roll it. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. All right. Well, there you go. I can absolutely slow roll that puppy. And I love the fact it's fully ambidextrous because of the, the crossbar lock here. I'm sure they have a term for their lock. Let's see what they call it here. This is the sand polished AR-RPM9 blade, yellow G10 handle, the Nanner. Good name. Good name. Good name. The colors are great. These are happy colors. This is such a bright, happy color. I love this thing. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like, let's peel the banana open. Oh, look at that. See? You see it, you get it. You see what I'm saying? Peel the banana open. Okay, that's just a bad dad joke. Anyways, I love this. By the way, texture on the G10 is really nice. It's actually very functional. Gives it a good grip. You're not going to drop this. There's no sharp spots on the inside or outside. Really nice attention to detail here, by the way. CJRB. For being what it is, and as goofy as it is super comfortable. There's no, this is crazy. There's no hot spots. I'm squeezing. I got no hot spots. I am squeezing white knuckles and I got no hot spots. Yeah, no hot spots on the inside. Let's do a left hand squeeze. Oh yeah, it actually feels kind of good actually in my hand. You ever feel that stretch sometimes in your hands if your hands are a little tired? It feels good in the hand. It almost feels therapeutic. It's weird. Oh, it feels, sometimes you squeeze on something and it makes your hands feel like really nicely stretched or something. I don't know. I like this. Now, where I'm missing it, it is a little smooth. Now, I will tell you, it's a little slippery because of this nice Cerakote that I have on there, which is expected, right? But if I go down, follow the scale, and I get down below, and I'm on the ridges here. No problem. Let's do it again, backwards. Got to be on the ridges. Works just fine. Just fine. That's just really so surprising. All right, this is a treat. This was a real treat. Thank you, CJRB, Artisan Cutlery, CJRB. You guys rock. I mean, this is fun. This is fun. I'm gonna hold on to this for a little bit before we give this away. I know some of you guys are like, I want that now. I'm gonna have fun with this for a little bit. This is just really a fun knife. This is a lot of. This is gonna be some shorts. This is just. I'm just smiling looking at this thing. There's sometimes, you get some really nice knives. You get a really fine custom, and it's a lot of fun. But then you get something like this, and it's fun. It's fun and ridiculous, but it works. It absolutely freaking works. I love this thing. That's what's blowing me away. And the colors on this thing just make it phenomenal. So, all right, that's the Nanner. The Nanner for the banana knife. I love the colors. I love everything about it. First impressions are really good. This is not a full review. I will be doing a full review. I will be carrying this knife. I'm going to be carrying that. You call me excited. I actually will have a banana or Nanner in my pocket. So there you go. Yeah, this is really cool. All right. Let me know what you think. Did you get a Nanner? Did you get this color Nanner? This is the color you should get. This is fun. This is a cool one. It works. It's comfortable. It actually fits in my hand. It's weird that I like this. And at first I was going to say no, but in this color, it's brilliant. All right. I'd love to hear your comments down below. You may hate it. And I at first thought I would too, but I got to tell you, you got to get this in hand. It's surprising. This comes from someone who absolutely does not like Persian knives. I'm not a Persian fan at all. And I don't hate this thing at all. So yeah, there you go. All right. If you found this content helpful, interesting, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button? And if you've already hit the like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button, because subscribing and liking the channel, it really does help me. It helps the channel grow. I appreciate you for that. If you haven't already, maybe consider also hitting that notification button too, so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you guys. You do two amazing things. You encourage me, and I really do appreciate that, and it does help. Secondly, because of your generous support and your generous memberships and stuff, you allow me to do things way sooner than I thought I could. Thank you guys. You're huge in helping this channel, and I appreciate you. Because of that, I want to do two things for you. I do brand new channel members. I want to send you a channel sticker and a thank you note. And secondly, you're now become eligible for our once a month members giveaway. That's exclusive just for members. So every week we'll have a giveaway, and then that 1 week we'll have a members giveaway. It'll be two, eligible for both. And they're a little bit better than the Budget Banger. Definitely something a little nicer, right? So that's for you guys. If any of that sounds interesting, there's a link down below in the description. 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't feel obligated. Do it because you want to, but if you do, thank you. And a big shout out to everyone out there. Appreciate you for watching this video and enjoying this experience with me, because I love this thing. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, great week. Bye.